Do you know that we all are a salesman? Every day and every moment we sell our ideas or expertise or product or the service. But do you know the before selling all these things, the most important thing you'll have to sell, you are selling, that is you. People are ready to buy you at a top notch price when you will become a brand through establishing your credibility. Hi, I'm Anutosh Bhakto, QSR Profitability Coach for young professionals. In this video, I will tell you the 3 points through which you can establish your credibility in the market at ease, and you can become a brand, and you can sell yourself at a top notch price. Number one, your thought, speech, and the action, which is known as a TSA, thought, speech, and action. If it is being aligned all the time, every time, you will be able to establish your credibility and people will start seeing you as a brand. But most of the people, we think something, we speak something else, and we act something else. And that is the reason our credibility goes down. So make sure that whenever, whatever you will think, you will speak accordingly and you will act accordingly. If you can do it on a continuous basis, you will find in no time that you will establish your credibility in the market and you will become a top notch brand. Because please remember, people will buy you first, then they will buy your ideas, expertise, product, or services. If you find this video useful, please follow me in the Instagram